Hey guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today we are going to do a garden tour update. So if you're interested, then stick around and stay tuned. Alright, let's start our tour. We got sweet potatoes. These will be ready in about 2 more weeks. They're browning. They went over into this one. This one's where the regular potatoes are, but it died off, so I don't think nothing is in there, but we're gonna check that this weekend. This is still my ginger. I checked in there was a bunch, but I'm gonna leave them. I'll probably get them 2 next week right before we get frost. It's getting cold out here. We still have the wasp. I let them live. Now we have carrots. I don't think they big, but they in there. I'm gonna let them stay for a while too. One of them died off or something, turned brown. I don't know if it was from the cold, because it's been getting cold, or what, but that's where the potatoes were. This is another sweet potato. I just stuck in there because I had extra slip. It's been flowering, but I don't think nothing in there but something real small, if anything. What we got left over here, this is my sweet potato where I grew my slips. I just left the ones that was in there still in there. I'm going to pull them up, take the potatoes out, take them in for the winter, and reuse them again. This is my green beans. I have replanted this one, but this one ain't do nothing. It's about to flower, but it's getting cold. This one got a few on here, and I actually think these are different than what I had over here because these are growing straight, and those grew curvy, and those were freaking delicious. So I need to make sure when I replant next year, I use the same ones, which is that one as well. That one is the same as them two. So I had 3 of those, and then I replanted these 3 to get some more, but it's not cold. This is my tomato plant, that yellow tomato. They don't taste like much of nothing, but I'm gonna let them go. This was one came out of my compost bin over there, and I think it's the same crap. It looks like, but they may be rumors, but I don't think so, but they may be. I have a few on there, but it's getting cold, so I don't think they all get turn red. But still got a bunch of flowers. I've been still messing with them. That is my New Zealand spinach. I've been eating it. That is my 1 eggplant. Flower. So I pollinated. It ain't gonna make it because it's supposed to be getting cold by next month. I planted onions and garlic in here. So now I have 1 onion. I'm gonna cover this bed with some mulch. That same mulch I got there, but I haven't done it yet. This back part, all this back part back here, it's onions and garlic. So I don't know which one it is because I planted both in here. So whatever. And then these are all my kale and collard greens. I got 2 rows of those. I don't know if they're gonna survive. I just planted them from seed out here. I don't know why these bees flying around. But planted them from seed. That's just a bunch of onion. I moved it over here. I just wanted to see what it was gonna do and leave it and see what it do for the winter. But most of these are collards and kale, mostly dino kale. And then these back here I think are collards in the back row. Back 2 row. I think those are collards, but hopefully they come up soon, get a little bigger before it get frost and kill them off. But I'm gonna cover them. I'm gonna try to cover them up if it get cold. Another sweet potato I just dumped in this pot. Probably ain't nothing in there because it ain't flowered or nothing, and it ain't really got no bigger than that. So Don't believe that's doing nothing. This is my mystery tomato that grew in my compost bin. Still got some on. I've been pulling it off. I'm just gonna make a sauce out of whatever I have. I got them in the house, so I'm just gonna make a tomato sauce. Then I've been putting my dead over there, and I'm gonna put it all on top of here once it get cold, and put some coffee cools on. I'm gonna get these are my red onions. Oh, I got a new one today, so I got 3. One right there, one right there. I got 3, but I planted them all in here, and I gave them some fish emotion yesterday. So maybe that's why another one came up today, but that's what's in here. This is spinach that has never came up or did anything, so I might put some more onions in here. Because I got a few more, so I'll probably put some more in those and then cover them up with some more mulch so that I can have that come next year. I have a bunch of onions, so yeah. And red onions is my favorite, so I'm going to be excited about those. I planted garlic in here. Nothing has popped up at all for any of those, but they take a little longer to germinate than actual onions because I didn't soak them in water first. So yeah, that's my parsley. That's some more New Zealand. I need to pull that up because that's crap. That's just some cocoa I'm gonna mulch with. My onions, bunch of onions, my regular onions, they are getting a little bit bigger. I've been pruning them back, so that's helping them to grow. But they're going slow. Alice, my avocado tree, I'm about to take her in the house. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. It's just a flower, but it's still blooming, but it's dying off because of the cold. But I don't know if I'm supposed to cut it back, so I need to watch a video. Anybody know about elephant ears? Comment below and let me know if I need to prune that back for the winter. More onions that's gonna stay through the winter because they didn't get big enough. So I'm just gonna leave them in there. I'm gonna prune them back some more, and I can eat these green parts. My tomato plant is still thriving. Got some more flowers. That's not gonna grow in time, but we have a few on here. Tomatoes still there and there. Them two, and then we got a little baby coming right there because I keep messing with the flowers. So we got a few still left. That has died out, but something was wrong with it. I think it had a disease, so I left that alone. My cilantro, coriander seeds, whatever, so I'm going to take those out there. I just let it go to seeds. Then another onion, I moved that one over here. This is my thyme. It didn't do much of nothing. I even planted some more, still didn't come up. My sage, not much of nothing. That is my serrano pepper, still blooming and growing. I put the last ones off of my okra tree. I don't think I'll get any more. It's too cold. I got one green pepper that's still left on here, so I'm trying to let it get a little bit bigger. My basil has gone to seed. I'm gonna get the seed from it. My other tomato plant still got tomatoes coming or growing, and I still have a few flowers and one coming there, but they're not gonna make it before it get cold. But whatever's on there, I get them off. Then my dino kale, the one from the summer, I've been getting stuff off of it. Thank God the bugs have stopped eating it. This is where I harvest my white potatoes, and I put them back in here. But I think they done, so I'm gonna see if anything else grew, because there was a few still on there that was small, and I don't know if that works by putting it back, but I put them back. This is my sweet potatoes. They're ready on the 30th. 31st, so next weekend we're gonna harvest those, and I'll make a video. This don't have nothing in it, so this is just crawling over here. But it had my spaghetti squash that died off. Got a few little eggplant left, so we'll get those off. That's after the frost, then I pull them. And then this one, Avocado Tree, got a few more on it. But I think it's done for the year as well. And I don't know what to do with that, if I'm supposed to just cut it back and let it regrow next year, or how that work. Comment below, y'all, and let me know how you do that. Or I have to plant new ones next year, because I don't know. And I put them in my compost bin. But that's it for my garden tour. Don't have anything else. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.